Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 17 angles and their properties. So, as you already familiar with these words, angles and its the properties. Already you know what is angle, how to write the angles. So, some more things we will study. We will learn more about the angles. So, first of all, the concept of angle. Actually, angle it is formed between two arms. Like you can see in this example, this table. Here you can see there is a two sides of the table, and between these there is wherever the joint of these two sides, suppose this side is the horizontal side and this vertical side, wherever it is joined, here it is joined, you can see this is the joint part. Here some space, some angles are formed. Here is the some angle, this particular part is called, between that this arms and this arms there is a some space, there is a some part that is called angle. Okay, so likewise in the book also, in the laptop also, you can see here scissor also. Okay, so how we can define the end point O is called vertex, means its example you can see here. This is the two ray, like OY and OX. Okay, ray we know that it is extended in the one side only, so its end point means O, means this OY has also end point O and OX also has the end point O only. So this particular O point is called vertex. Okay, the end point O is called vertex. This O is called what it is? It is called vertex of the angle. Okay, this is called vertex. Got it? The two ray OX and OY are called arms. These two part, this is called arms. Okay, these two are called arms. Okay, arms of, okay, these two, this is the arm, this is the also arm. There are two arms OX and OY. This is called initial side and terminal side also. Okay, but the angle forms between only two arms. Okay, like this angle is, suppose one arm is here and one arm is here and both are the ray. So and its initial point is common, means they have started from the same point. This is this point. Okay, so this first arm and second arm, between this there are some space. This is called angle. This is called angle. Okay, so an angle is the figure formed by two non-collinear rays. Okay, collinear already you know, the linears and collinears already you have studied. Collinear means they will lie in the same line, their points will be in the same parallel lines. Okay, collinear they will not lie. Okay, having common end, yes, common end they have. Each of the ray of an angle is one of its side. Okay, the common end is the vertex of the angle. The region between the ray OX, here this ray OX, you can see this OX and OY, the region between this is called interior angle. So region, there is some regions are there, you can see these are the regions. Okay, this is called interior. Interior means they are inside the angle. Got it? So they are called interior. Those are outside, they are called exterior. Okay, now the size of angle depend on rotation up to the terminal side. The amount of the rotation is called measure of the angle. So terminal side means that here you can see there are two sides. You can see there are two arms in the angles. Angle is formed by the two parts, like this part you can see, this is called terminal part and this is your initial part. Okay, there are two arms, so it's a name which are the upper, this side, this is called terminal side and this is the initial side. Got it? So both are the arms. Okay, so here the size of angle depend on rotation up to terminal side. Up to terminal side means, suppose here it is and these two are the, it can be rotate like this. Here angle can be, here angle can be. So the amount of rotation is called the measure of the angle. Okay, so as it will be moved, this angle will be decreased, and it will be moved here, angle will be increased. So it depend on the rotation up to the terminal side. Got it? Now you can see here in this example also you can see the rotation. Okay, now next is that naming an angle. So how we will name the angle? How we will write the name of the angle? So first, there are three methods are there. The first method with three letters, with one letters, and with numeral or a small letter. So this angle can be, this naming of the angles we can do. It is done in three ways. The first with the letter with three letters, with one letters, and with the numeral. So one by one we will study. You just see that already you know about this. Okay, so you just see here. So first is with the three letter. Three letter means if this is the ray, so we have named it. In this ray there is one point B, and another here on this initial side we have this on the terminal side we have taken the point B, and here also A, and O is the origin vertex. So now how we can write this O, this B O A? Got it? We started from B coming to O and then after A. So we can write B O A, and this is the angle. So this is the sign of angle. Okay, this is the sign of angle. So it denotes that this is the angle. Angle sign is very like this, not L. It is just like you can say one slanting line and one horizontal line. Okay, this is the slanting and horizontal. Two lines are there. This is the slanting line or oblique line, and this is the horizontal line. With that, it is angle. So this is angle BOA. So this is with three letters. Okay. Next is with one letter. One letter means simply this angle you can name with the any letters like X, Y, Z, like that. So this angle with this is called the with one letter. Third is with a numeral or a small letter. Oh, sorry. Here with one letter. With one letter means like this is where it is that O. So we can simply write angle O. So this is the one letter. This angle O means here means only we will write the name of the vertex. Got it? So this is the with one letter. Okay. Now third is that with numerals or a small letter. Just it is we can write it like angle X, simple name, or a letter like 1, angle 1. So you can mention like angle 1, angle X, angle 1. So likewise you can also write it with the one letter or the small letters. Okay, or with this also you can write angle O. Okay, means it is the name of the vertex where the two arms are, the origin of the two arms. Got it? Okay, here also like BOA I have written. You can also write AOB, no problem. You can write like this AOB. Okay, this is also the same naming. From here also you can start. Okay, but it should be in the order. Means you have to follow the pattern like pattern means like clockwise or anti-clockwise. Means you have to go from here to here or from here to here. Means in the one way you have to move. You have to follow the pattern clockwise or the anti-clockwise. Got it? Now next is interior and exterior angle. Interior angle means those angles are inside the boundary. Like inside the boundary means they are between the arm side, means inside the arm. These two arms are there. So inside the arm, these all are called the interior. And here outside of the arms, okay, so they are called the exterior angles. Got it? So in the angles, how you can decide? These are the interior part. These are the exterior part of. But how you can decide? So see here, if we are talking about this angle, okay, suppose this angle we have named X. So if we talked about this X, angle X, so we can say this angle X is your interior angle. Okay, this angle X is your interior angle. But if we talk about this angle, okay, so suppose this I named it Y. So this angle Y we will call it is the exterior angle. This Y is called your exterior angle. This Y is your exterior angle, and this X is your interior angle, because this X is inside the two arms, means between these two arms, and this is outside of the two arms, so this is called exterior angle. Okay, understood? Okay, now let's solve exercise 17a, page number 240. Okay, so here the first question we have, give any three examples of angles from your environment. Means whatever the examples you are seeing that you can write. So like any example, suppose sun, like the ray in the of the morning sun falling on the ground make an angle with the ground, means like sun is, so means that light is making an angle. So likewise you can visualize, you can just think and write. So you can do it by yourself. Just find out the some examples, some real world examples, okay, so that you can write for it some examples that form the angles. Number two, name the following angles in three different ways. So you have to write down the three ways, as I have told that, as we have studied how to write the, like in the three letters, like one letter, like a small letter and numbers. So you have to write down. So you have to write them in three ways. So the first one, so see the first question, number one. Number one is that first how you can write. So we can write like in this way, we can follow like, so we can write a angle a b c. This is the first one. Another also we can write cba. In this way also we can write, so angle cab we can follow, means both are the same naming, but we can follow either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Got it? Now next you can see its name is given angle a, so you can write angle a. Understood? Now you can also name the angle b, because this angle b we will not write separate, because why? Because these two are already, it is for the angle b. Here I just do the mistake, cba, it will be cba, okay, here will be angle cba. So here you can see in the both we have written b and b, okay, so it denotes the angle b, so no need to write this, means the single letter we don't have to write, because if we write in the third, means with the three letters, so no need to write with the single letters, because it already, it means we are talking about the angle b, okay. Now likewise you can write it like here is the name is given, like angle 2, angle 3. Here you can write u v w or w v u, okay. Now next, number 3, the given figure shows AC is a line RBA, like BA, okay, BC, this one BA, BC and BD, okay, is ray. There are three angles in a figure. One is ABC, angle ABC, means this angle is talking ABC, this angle ABC. What are the others? Means first they are asking angle B, this side BA, BC and BD. Is there a ray? So yes, of course they are ray. Just see here, because they have the one endless point and one is their end point. End point is the B. So of course we can write yes, they are ray. Now we have to find the angle. One angle is ABC. This is given. Another angle we have to find. You can see one, this angle is there. We can write for this angle. So we can write angle A, B and D. Got it? Another angle we can search. So another angle you can see here is there. So that is C, B, D. Angle C, B and D. Okay, or you can write this DBC also, this angle, or this angle also you can write by another name DBA. You can also write it DBA, or you can also write DBC. Only we change the order, means like clockwise or anti-clockwise, okay, but all are same, okay. So likewise you have to write. Now see the next question, number 4. Figure number 4 you have to see shows in two intersecting lines PQ and RS. So where is the picture number 4? See here, this is the figure number 4, okay. So here we have to see that first one, that first we have to write, could you think the figure are being formed by 4 rays with common endpoint? Yes, yes, see this is the endpoint and one ray is there. You can check that first ray is there, second is here, okay, and third is here and fourth is here, okay. So likewise we can write yes. So its answer will be yes, it is possible. Number 2, name at least 6 angles that are formed by the ray. So this you have to do it by yourself. I've dictated what are the angles. First, see, this angle we can write, this angle we can write, this angle and this angle, 4 angles. Then after you can write with combined this angle also, this angle also. Okay, then after you can write this angle and this angle. So likewise you have to try it and do. Okay, now next, number 5, name the 6 angle in the figure number 5 that have O as a vertex. Here you can see 6 angle you have to write. This is the vertex, 6 angle. So first angle you can write this one, BOA, like BOC, number 2 angle. Number 3 is here, COB, number 3, means 3 angles we have. Now fourth angle, with combinedly we can take these two, okay, with combined 3, with the combined of this 2, with the combined of this 3. So likewise you can write it like angle AOB, angle BOC, angle COD, angle AOC, angle BOD, angle AOD. Likewise you can write. Okay, now number 6, in a given figure, question number 6, figure 6, list the point which are the interior of angle O. So interior of angle O means they are the interior. So we can write the angle, this point M and N. Okay, now the exterior of O, exterior is O and Y. So it will be O and Y. Laying on O means exactly it is on the O. So who are laying on the O? Okay, laying on the angle O. So which points laying on the angle O? So exactly you can see this first of the point O, another point this A you can write. Okay, another point this B, because they are exactly at the angle, arms of the angles. Okay, so likewise you have to do. So you can solve exercise 17A. Okay.